Hello fellas, this is going to be a video series where I go through the installation, out-of-the-box experience, and how beginner-friendly a distro is. At the end of the video, I will say if they pass the check of being beginner-friendly. All of these will be installed on a virtual machine, so the experience across the series will be similar. In this episode, we go through the first Linux distro, linuxmint. Let's start with the website.
Get down, Zara!
Where we will download this from. Directly we are greeted with redirection of downloading the ISO image and installation instructions. The instructions, which I really like, explain the three flavors: cinnamon, mate, and XFCE. Also with the instructions you see troubleshooting tips and frequently asked questions. In my case I picked cinnamon. By the way, the ISO is around 3 GB, so download time may vary. Luckily, it has many servers. Also, small tip, if your internet is too bad, you can also download it via a torrent client. As you see, 4 GB of RAM, 4 cores, and we gave it 50 GB of storage space. The whole install process wasn't much, but I have to say for a beginner it's more than enough and seems to be good here. It's a pass. The out-of-the-box experience, which defines the distro. Despite the fact that my internet is hella dookie and that I'm doing it on a virtual machine, I have to say the out-of-the-box experience gets a pass. It's intuitive, you don't need to use the terminal since everything can be done with a GUI. So, crazy pass. Many people have said it, and my final verdict, this distro is very beginner friendly. You don't need to use the terminal, but you can learn it anytime you want. Everything can be done via GUI applications. Flatpak is pre-installed, so installing certain programs that you might need shouldn't be a problem. As short as it is, I still hope you enjoyed the video. Share this video with your friends in case they're interested into Linux and might want to give it a shot, but don't want to dig too deep into the rabbit hole. See ya!